Hey, Austin Floyd here, data-driven marketer and agency owner, and in this video, I want to break down what remarketing is so you know how to take full control of your business. And if you haven't already, make sure to press the subscribe button so you get notified when videos just like this come out in the future. Remarketing is possibly one of the most beneficial and lowest hanging fruits in just about every business, but the problem is so many people just act like this isn't something that they need to be doing. Remarketing quite literally is remarketing to those people who have already been marketed to. That's where the name comes from, and it's very easy to actually execute on in many different aspects of your business. So for instance, in reality, when we think about emails, when someone puts in an email and then they get an email back after they already came to and subscribe to the email list, that technically is remarketing. But the remarketing that I'm talking about is actually remarketing using paid media channels, because this is one of the easiest ways to target those people who are fitting into the specific audiences that you know will convert later. So for instance, one of the most popular and best audiences that we've ever seen for remarketing is someone who visits a product or sales page within 4 days. If they visited within 4 days and they've shown some intention with actually purchasing the product that we have on that page, then what we like to do is make sure that we can get rid of all these beliefs that they have or why they shouldn't buy the product. So for instance, let's say they're looking at an e-commerce product like a supplement, or they're looking at something like massage therapy balls. Well, if they are and they're not really in the mindset of purchasing, then what we like to do is show them a review or serve them an actual user case study, something that allows them to put theirself in the shoes of the person who already bought it, see the perceived benefits, and then go through with it. And so that's just a basic form of remarketing, something that we like to make sure that every account has. But the amazing thing is you can have remarketing set up on every single channel, which then work together to create this omnipresence or an all presence, showing your brand everywhere, allowing people to go, oh, I really identify with this brand. I see them everywhere. And once you're inside someone's mind more and more, the familiarity leads to a higher chance of conversion. So remarketing is something that all businesses need to do. And if you aren't doing it, I'm gonna give you 5 simple remarketing tips that you could use right now in order to really increase the amount of sales in your business. Number 1, what I just said, 4-day visits page, product page, or sales page. Make sure, remarket them, get rid of those limiting beliefs, bring them back to the product or sales page, and you will definitely see a return on ad spend that you did not expect. Number 2 is to make sure that your Google Display Network and your search is also set up. Step 2 is to have a YouTube video for remarketing as well. So if someone visits your site, you need to record a quick video that's going to show them the product in a visual aspect that they were looking at to bring them back to the site. Now, YouTube remarketing has worked incredibly well for us, and it's something that we time and time again use, because the more that someone interacts with the brand and they get to see it in these different lights, visually, text-based, on Facebook in their feed natively, then it allows them to build the trust with the brand, because you are actively putting forth the energy to see them in all these different places. So make sure YouTube remarketing is set up either from add to cart or for someone who has been looking at the sales page in the last 30 days. Make sure the video is contextual and you're not hitting them with too much frequency. Number 3 would be to make sure that you are actively remarketing to your email list. So with almost every ad medium, you can upload your email list, and of course you can upload high LTV or purchasers or whatever the email list that you want to use is. But if you're not actively using the email list that you currently have, then you are losing out on a lot, because while they may have not interacted on Facebook, you have their email and you should be continually reaching them in some form, whether that's just giving value or that is trying to get the conversion depending on where they are in your email flows. So making sure that you've uploaded your email list to all the different various medias and that you are then using paid traffic to bring them back and engage with your brand again is going to be very important. Tip number 4 is to boost posts. Yes, it seems monotonous, but we have seen incredible results just simply boosting Instagram and Facebook posts to people who are currently interacting with the brand. It increases engagement for your overall brand. Facebook likes it, Instagram likes it, and in the end, it actually does lead to a very high conversion rate from what we found. And number 5, remarketing, is to make sure you have branded ads set up on Google. If you don't have branded ads set up, you may not show at the top of the search listings, but if you do, it's gonna be incredibly easy for someone to come once they hear your brand, see your brand on YouTube, on Facebook, are already getting this remarketing, go to Google to search you, you will be the top result. And that is what you need in order to succeed when it comes to paid traffic. So that is my 5 tips to get started right away with remarketing. Don't wait, put these into use, drop below the benefits that you've been getting, and subscribe for more videos like this in the future.